We are a team of engineers who do not need our mouth to cure, but our palms to heal at Pamtech. Our will is to wheel you to your destination. Our tire, no the tire.
Gear up!
Break out!
Stir up the giant within you.
To drive ahead, you need to use your head. Do you need our team of expert mechanics and technicians who have the knowledge and the experience to diagnose, maintain, and repair your vehicle?
You need an oil change,
Engine diagnostics.
Wheel alignment.
You can trust us to perform each auto service with state-of-the-art equipment with utmost precision.
looking for routine service, emergency repairs, or to give your car a clean and unique appearance.
Pamtech Auto Land is the perfect place for you.
But the lifespan of your car lies on the palms of Pamtech.
Pamtech Auto Land. Extra care for your car, extra mile for you.